Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
Ụmụ Chineke ụtụtụ ọma o. Good morning to the children of Biafra, the children of light, the children of the Most High God. Chukwu Okike Abịama. If you are one of the people that circumcised on the 8 days, know you are the child of the covenant. And if you are circumcised on the 8 days and you are doing good to the land of the Biafra, know you are the son of the soil. Because we have so many children of darkness, so many people that are evil in the land of Biafra. So therefore, this morning, being the second day of August, time now a minute to the hours of 9 a.m. in the land of the holy land of Biafra. Your warrior is here to update you. I want you to know that Chukwu Gika Biama determined that we shall come, and after us there will be no one like us, because we have come to restore the land of Biafra. No mortal, no human, no man or woman can stop us. I'm here this very morning to tell you that you have nothing to be worried about, because those that come with death into our land shall die in our land. There's no two ways about that. Do not mind my look. I decided that I should face you as you are facing me, but nevertheless, I still need to show you somewhere I normally show you. See the sun? This is the sun. Remember what I said about the sun? This is where all of us come out from. And believe you me, this is the land of Biafra, the sun in the land of Biafra. And no evil will step their foot on the soil of Biafra land and go back alive. They will all die here. If you have been watching my video, you always see the sun. For you to know that I am still in a very particular point. So when these idiotic people come and tell you, say we don't pursue them, we don't transact them, and I make a video to you, at the end of the video, you did not see bush, you did not see the sun, know that the Chukwu Abiyama have hand over us to them. But if you still see the sun and see us, unless it's the time we move out from this bush, I will still tell you that we are no longer in the bush. We are now pursuing them in their barrack, in their house, in their houses, and anywhere. Then I will go to give you update of where we are. But for now, Chukwu Abiyama say we should fortify ourselves in the bush, that we might be breeze, ikuku. They cannot see us. Ask them. They have never seen us. Ask them. It is only us that can see them, because they are evil. But they can never see us, because we are the breath, the breeze, the air they breathe. And when they come to end us, we kukuma seize the air, and that is their end. We are the water they drink, and when they come to destroy us, we turn the water into poison, and they can never live to see the next day. We are the light they use in seeing road, and when they come to off us, they can never see road, and their life cease. We are the land they march the floor, their leg on. And as they are coming with evil, believe you me, the land will swallow them. We swallow them. We go nowhere. This is the land of our ancestors. That day I forget to update you that they came with many native doctors. In their presence, their native doctor fall. You see this thing? It's a fall. Is it not white? Is it black? It must be whiter than white and whiter than snow in the land of the living, for the land to fight for you. This is Ofondu. Once your hands is clean in the land of Biafra, no weapon fashioned against you shall prosper. No evil shall touch you. As long as we are fighting for the justice, justice must prevail. This is the land of our forefather that hand over to our father, that hand over to us. We must hand over to our children in a good shape. And we must destroy all the enemies of the land of Biafra. And our children shall inherit this land with joy and happiness. Fulani, Hausa, Yoruba will no longer be seen. Britain, present will no longer be here again by the time we finish with them. So therefore, we fear no evil because Chukwu Kikabiama is our shepherd. Go and tell them that we are waiting for them. We go nowhere. It was since 5 o'clock that our informant gave us information that they just passed their area with 5 armor tanks and many healers. And see now, we never see their presence. We already prepare and wait for them because they are coming to die. To those who go close, who they close to them to, should tell them that they should come and die fast. The ground of Biafra have already opened, waiting to swallow them. The leg in which they carry on, they can never carry and go. The last time they came with 3 native doctors, they all fall in their presence. Tell them to pack as many as they can, as many of native doctors. Let them pack come. One thing they do not know is that the day they drank all the river finish in the land of Biafra, then they can finish all the children of Biafra because we are water. As you know, that without water, nothing can survive. Tell them this. We fear nobody. You see this death then carry come. Now death will be their portion. Chukwukika Biama have determined that we will restore Biafra. Self-determination is not a crime. It is only a bad mother that will throw his bikini up and he forget to catch. As long as we are fighting for the good of the land will fight for our good. And the king messenger, hey, go with the king's power. Let me tell you and tell them this, that the son of the king can never be stranger in the land in which his father is a king. They don't know this. How can the fish in the water, in the river, cry for the thirst of the water? It can never happen. It can never happen. They don't know anything. The fake native doctor that followed them to come and destroy the children of Saul, did he not know that the son of the soil can never fall? You don't know that. That he that come with justice and equity will go with fairness. If we are fighting for what does not belong to us, then they have the right to kill us. But as long as we are fighting for what is rightful belongs to us, the war died before us. You think it is all about power? It is not about power. It is all about nature and the law of karma. Do you think it is all about bullet and gun? It is not just about bullet and gun. It is all about fairness and equity. I'm telling you the truth. The more you come with those carnal weapons, the more you will fall. The more you come with spiritual fake people, the more you will fall. Because every spiritual man will tell you that you cannot win these people because they are fighting for their right. If you go to any rightful native doctor, he will tell you, my brother, you cannot win them. These people are righteous. They are whiter than white and whiter than snow. And you cannot win them. As long as they are fighting for equity and justice. They are fighting for what rightful belongs to them. You cannot win them. It have never happened anywhere. But the fake one will collect your money, eat. And he will still foolishly join you to come and die because you know he will die. And you will die. How many healers you take back your dead body go on the 31st of August? Tell the world. I've been listening to your news. Accordingly, you say it's only 7. How can 7 fall and you did not come word the next day that was first? Since 5 o'clock, they have been informing us that you are coming. We are still waiting for you. You never arrive. But that is you as early as to 6. You already started. You were already on our domol. They shoot. They challenge us. But now this is to after 11 minutes past the meaning of 9 hours. You never see rich. We are still waiting for you. As you can see, I'm fully prepared waiting for you. Men are fully prepared waiting for you because here is your end. Here you will die. We go nowhere. When I speak, take note, because so shall it be. Let me tell you what you don't know. The day you will kill me is the day that I do what is against the gods of the land. And that is, if I thief, rob, rape the people of the land, do that thing that the land did not accept or want. That day, the spirit of the land will hand over my soul to you people, and you will capture me alive. I'm giving you the secret. But as long as I cannot rob this land, I cannot thief, I cannot rape, I cannot do anything evil against the land of Biafra, and you come, you will die, and I will see your end. You don't know that? What is my demand? It's just 2. Our demand is just 2. Release Nnamdi Kanu and set the day of referendum. That is all. Everybody will vote where they want to belong to. Then nobody die. We all go in peace. You be our neighbor, we be your neighbor. But if you say that you can force us, you can intimidate us, but at the end, Biafra must be restored. At the end, Biafra must be restored. Yes. So, I will not warn you again because I know a stubborn fly will always follow the dead body into a grave. So those people that are sending you, they definitely know you are going to die anyway. That is why the important money give you. Dead man does not chop the money. Go and read about the volunteer army. A volunteer army, no one can defeat them. Liberation army, nobody can defeat them. A revolution army, nobody can defeat them. Nobody have ever defeated those that are fighting guerrilla war. Because you fail to read history. You think this is Boko Haram? Illiterate Boko Haram you cannot defeat. You are talking about the graduate that full ground, scientists that full ground, the learned that full ground. Some of you don't know that we are learned. When you hear my intonation, you know that I'm a learned man. So some of you that do call us a miscreant, I love you. I do laugh at you because you don't know the man, the intellectual that God brought to restore the land of Biafra. You think it's a joke? We are creating something that will destroy you. Thank God you recognize Ogbunigwe. Thank God you recognize Ogbunigwe. Ogbunigwe will keep destroying you. In fact, the one we are making now, one name, you go receive woto. I tell you. Even your armor tanga will pieces. We are fully prepared for you. Fully prepared for you. This is not 1967 to 1970. This is 2023. Nnamdi Kanu is our supreme leader. Simon Ekpa is our war front, warfare man. Remember, it is a military man. You know that. Nnamdi is a civilian. He always tempers justice with mercy. His heart is not strong. But this man, Simon Ekpa, is fully prepared for this. Nnamdi cook him for this. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Cook him for this and is fully prepared for this. He's a spiritual son of Nnamdi Kanu. He's a war material to Nnamdi Kanu. You cannot do anyhow. If you do anyhow, you see anyhow. Release Nnamdi Kanu. Fix the day for referendum and stop this madness. But if you come with a weapon of war, with a hope to destroy the children of light, you will die and you will never succeed. Biafra must be restored. Nobody can stop it. Not even you. Not even spirit. Because Chukwukika Abiyama have determined that Biafra will be restored in our time. In our time, we go nowhere. So for your good, for your own good, for your own good, do that which is right. And what is that is right? Release Nnamdi Kanu. Release Nnamdi Kanu. And fix the day for referendum. Retrieve your soldier from our land. Otherwise, they will all die here. If you like, you hear me. And you take my advice. If you don't like, continue. We are here waiting for you. Because we are your end. And we will end you in the land of Biafra. If you think you make juju, if you think you have carried many charm, the highest charm, bring it. The land will swallow it. Have you forgotten that the Red Sea divided for the children of the Most High God to pass through it? Have you forgotten that the army and the chariots of Pharaoh was drowned in the same Red Sea? Why have you easily forgotten? We are the children of Abraham, the children of the Most High God, the children of the covenant. Chukwukika Abiyama have determined that we should come. And here we are. Believe you me, you cannot stop us. Anything that comes on our way will die. Anything that comes in between the restorations of the lands of Biafra will be crushed. Therefore, be one. Please come fast so that you will die quick. Men are already waiting for your coming. The ground of Biafra have already opened its mouth to swallow you because you are evil. The death you carry come to the land of Biafra shall be your portion. So therefore, come fast. Come and die. You must die. At this point, I say good morning to those that are good to the land of Biafra and death to those that think evil about the land of the rising sun. I thank you for listening to me. If then come, I will come and update you how the war is. If they did not come, I may still come and tell you that they did not come or not. But keep sharing the message. Let it go viral. And tell the world that we are fighting for what rightfully belongs to us. That nobody can stop us. Good morning from the land of the rising sun. May God bless all of you that are there praying for the children of light. Good morning. From me, from here, the land of Biafra, I say good morning.